terminal glass. You packed your coat, I packed my flat. One-way ticket, no return plan. Just your name written on my hand. You left your flat at dawn's first light. I kissed the snow outside your flight.
Same hour, same sky, opposite gates. Two hearts racing toward empty days.
My phone buzzed through Paris rain. Yours lit up in Scottish lanes. Where are you? We typed in fear and saw the maps and laughed through tears.
We crashed like comets in the blue. Same dream, opposite skies. Same truth, you held my city in your chest. I carried yours beneath my steps.
That night I slept in stranger sheets. You walked our streets with silent feet. The morning came with clearer skies, and both our suitcases rolled to rise. No more surprises, just your face.
That baggage claim
That sacred space
where time stood still,
then caught its breath
and
gave us back what love had left.
no cloth like comets in the blue. Same dream, opposite style. Same truth, you held my city in your chest. I carried yours beneath my steps.
I thought I lost you in the clouds.
So my
I traced your path through engine sound.
style.
Now every mile feels like home.